Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. So today I want us to start off with the US dollar Japanese yen. On this chart, basically, we do expect price to continue to the upper side. So we had a very good resistance trend line. Sorry, we had a very good supportive trend line. We drew it from this point. Yesterday we had it here. And then we had another one at the very top. So this was a resistance trend line. If you remember what we said yesterday, we mentioned clearly that as long as the price remains within these two lines, then we were expecting it to continue to the upper side. So we are somehow in a buy scenario. We expect buyers to continue pushing price to the upper side. We are actually looking forward to the price extending itself to the upper side and even breaking beyond this level here. So if, for instance, if the price can break below this trend line, then this will mean we are now sellers, at least up to this point here. Then our next target is the one we had at the bottom, this one here. So should the price go below this level, we are sellers up to this point. The next target is the one we have at the bottom, this one here. Next symbol is the SP500. The SP500, nothing much has changed. We are still looking for the possibility that the price may continue to the upper side. We do have a very good resistance zone here. The price went above the old zone. It came back as a support here. We had a support here. As we're speaking now, you can see that the price is still around the same place. So this right here will act as the ideal place to look for a buy from. So if you want to trade the SP500, you should be looking for buy positions from within this range here. Expect buyers to push price to the upper side, at least up to this point here. So should the price extend beyond this level here, then we want to see a clear break beyond this point. That is what will confirm for us that the price is indeed continuing to the upper side. So a break above this level will be the correct place to look for a buy from. My next symbol is the SP500. So you remember what I meant? Sorry, this is the Brent oil. If you remember what I said yesterday, I mentioned that we are just above a very good resistance zone. This one here, you can see it, 86.06, 85.35. So I mentioned that if the price can come back and touch this zone here, then that will give us the ideal place to look for a buy from. So we just want to see what happens. If for some reasons the price can pull back down and touch this zone, then this will give us the ideal place to look for a buy from. My next symbol, I want to look at a GBPUSD. So with the GBPUSD so far, we are buyers. Where the price is now is actually a good place to look for a buy from. We are expecting buyers to push price to the upper side, at least up to this point here, where if the price breaks beyond, then our next target is the one we have at the top, this one here. My next symbol is gold, but I think we've looked at gold. We are actually having the same analysis we had yesterday on gold. You can see that the price is actually heading to the upper side, just as we mentioned yesterday. We want to see price hit this level here. If it does not break above it, then this will give us the best place to look for a sell from, at least up to this trend line here. And in case the price breaks above this trend line, then we expect a move up to this point. Our next target is this one here, and then our next target is the one we have at the very top. So that should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We're going to meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.